Hey YouTube, it's Nappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. And this week, no one guessed the herb on my Instagram page. So this week I'm actually featuring the herb Fenugreek or Methi. Now, fenugreek is wonderful for reducing dandruff. It helps reduce hair fall. It also restores your hair as well. It is rich in niacin and vitamin C, so it helps give your hair a nice lustrous shine. It's really good to take internally as well as externally. Now, you can make this as a hair oil, you can make it as like a blended mask with the seeds, or you can make this as a rinse. Now, I've tried it a few ways. I tried the blended mask and I couldn't seem to blend the seeds fine enough because they were really stuck in my hair. But I'm going to show you guys a method that I use that works out really easy for me. So go ahead and let's get to mixing. So you want to begin with a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds and about a 1/2 cup of water. Now you want to mix to make sure all the seeds are covered and leave it overnight for at least 8 to 10 hours. In the morning, you'll notice that the seeds have expanded and that the water has turned a gelatinous yellow color. Go ahead and strain the seeds into a measuring cup and then pour it into a spray bottle. Next, add about a tablespoon of glycerin to the mixture. Finally, I add 3 to 4 drops of essential oil. I'm using Type 4 Hair Care's essential oil blend to the mixture, and that's it. Okay, so I have my mix now already made, and I try not to make too much in one batch. And just to note, the water is very gelatinous. So once you take it, it has like a film, like a little bit of a sticky film. And I use this usually to like refresh my hair. As you guys may know, I do the LCO method, and the liquid I always use is generally like water with glycerin, which you saw me make. So I'm using fenugreek water with glycerin and a few drops of essential oil. And what I do is, since I'm wearing a bun style, I'll just spray my roots. And I should note that fenugreek smells like syrup. That's the best way to describe it. So I'm going to spray these edges all up. And then I'm also going to spray my bun. So I use this as the liquid in my LCO method. Just because you're wearing a protective style, you still should make sure that you are moisturizing and taking care of your hair. I'll be using Naturology's leave-in. Now you guys, I didn't do a full review on this, but I definitely used this when I did my locks, and my hair loves this stuff. So I like to use this as my leave-in. So this is the cream that I'm using. And then I'm going to fill with, this time just castor oil, big old tub of it. Okay. And I'm gonna just put my hair into one twist for the night to go ahead and stretch it. And that's it, you guys. If you guys want to use this all over your hair, by all means. It does also allow your hair, your curls to pop. So if you spray that as like a refresher for your curls, if you're sleeping, or you want to do it in the LCO method or the LOC method, just find a way that works best for you. It's very moisturizing. So let me know how you guys enjoy it down below, and I'll see you guys on my next week's Tip Tuesday. Bye.